Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing something spooky. I did a poll on my Instagram asking for spooky or colored. Spooky lost by 1 vote, but I'm doing it anyway. And this look was inspired by Victoria Justice's Halloween costume. She was a human Ouija board. And it's a running joke with my friends that I need a Ouija board and my roommate will not let me get one. So I'm gonna make myself one. She's gonna hate it, I know it, but it's gonna be great, you know? You gotta do what you gotta do for the demons. First things first, I'm gonna glue down this eyebrow? Yeah. Okay, my glue stick is here, I was about to freak out. While that dries, I think I'm just gonna conceal my shitty, I have like a couple little breakout areas, so we're gonna get those right now. I've also been rewatching Degrassi. For anyone that isn't like a Canadian child, watch Degrassi. It's like a teen drama, but they've literally done everything. Any plot line, any subplot, any crazy shit that could possibly happen to a teenager happens in that show. There's like 30 seasons or some crazy shit like that. I don't know. I'm gonna wait till my eyebrow dries. I'm just gonna finish concealing my face. Probably gonna powder my eyebrow, conceal my eyebrow, but you've seen me do that before, so I'm probably gonna use my Colourpop white concealer, my NYX No Filter powder. Now that I've powdered, I'm just gonna use some contour, a little bronzer.
Action.
Okay, and then I'm gonna use Alamar Cosmetics. A friend gave this to me, it's a blush trio. I'm gonna use this orangey blush just for a little bit of color. So now that my face is done, I'm going to start. I'm gonna use my SUVA Beauty white, and I'm gonna draw the shape of the Ouija on my eye, and then I'm gonna fill in my eyebrow in black because I'm gonna be wearing my black wig. So I'm gonna have one white and a black. Okay. My brow in black, and then I'm also gonna outline this and start doing the letters, which is probably gonna take me a while, so see you later. So yeah. I'm also looking at the alphabet backwards because I'm doing this in a mirror, in case you're wondering.
One more letter.
laptop died. I just decided to keep going. I did the numbers, the yes and the no, and then the moon and the sun off camera. So, sorry if you wanted to see that. It's mostly just the same of what I did on the letters, just repeated in different shapes. I did the same that I used for this on these. Yeah, I don't really know what else to tell you. So now I'm gonna give these guys little faces. I think it's coming along pretty sick, so I'm gonna draw the drips coming out of this eye. I'm gonna line my lips with my black lip liner. It's Colourpop Bull Chic. Alright, now I'm gonna fill it with my NYX Liquid Suede and Alien.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright, now I'm gonna use my the same lashes I used last week, but because I really enjoyed them. Bombshell? Was it? No, Temptation. So these are Morphe lashes and they're sick. I'm gonna use some bottom lashes as well. Or am I? Yeah, I'm gonna use bottom lashes on the one side. Setting spray, and I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna use my Colourpop Boy Next Door. Now I'm going to put my wig on. All right, and this is the final. And thanks for watching, guys. I had a lot of fun making this Ouija board look. Thank you to Victoria Justice or whoever on her team suggested this / executed this, because I thought it was sick when I saw it like 2 days ago. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.